In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $16,972 in commission with affiliate marketing using organic free traffic from Facebook. Not paid ads, not any paid promotion, just by using free traffic. I will share with you guys step by step my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission just in one single month. I made this commission in the last month, in the month of October, from the first day until the day 31, and it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. This is my invoice, and as you can see guys over here, it's paid. Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, make sure to watch this video until the end, because I will share with you which services or products you should start promoting, and I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from you, and so much more for free in this video. Okay, let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here. All you have to do, you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So as you can see, this is my home page. You just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down. Go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's really profitable. They are paying good commissions. Some commissions can be up to $150 for just one service. The best part with this business is that each time this person will buy a service from will buy any service, he will buy the service from the first time from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. And each time this person will keeps buying more services, you will make commission from every transaction this person will make. Okay, that's what make this business really profitable. Anyway, you guys, like I said, you can check this website. You can get more ideas. Okay, so what you will do, if you want to join Fiverr affiliate, click on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. And choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, what you will do next, you need to choose good services that you will promote on Facebook using free traffic. So what we will do next, we will go to Facebook, go and open your Facebook homepage like this. Just open your, so go and open your Facebook homepage like this. So go and open your Facebook homepage like this, as you can see, and click over here on the search and search for Twitch. Okay, search for this keyword, search for Twitch. You have here filters, scroll down, click on groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of public groups that you can start using to promote your affiliate links for free. Let me show you how you can do it. So let's choose, for example, the first group. I will click on this group, and you will be directly in this group like you, as you can see. Let's scroll down. So let me see what is going on in this group. Let's scroll down, and here we go. You guys can see this person posted his Twitch channel here. So why those people are posting their Twitch channels here? They want to get more followers, more views, and grow their Twitch account and Twitch channels. Okay, you guys can see this one. and all I want is 50 followers. This one need this one has Twitch channel. Okay, so this person will be interested to buy a service related to Twitch, and I will show you guys which service this people will be interested to buy from you. Okay, here is another person, but this one is putting his YouTube link here. If we scroll down, here is another person posted his Twitch channel here. Here is another one, you guys can see this one post YouTube channel. Here is another one, you guys can see. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Twitch. Okay, search for this keyword. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers, choose sellers who provide good services, like level 2 sellers, level 1 seller, top rated sellers, because people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will check if those sellers are really good sellers or not. Okay, if those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose, you guys can see this one, level 2 seller. I will organically promote and bring the live viewers to your Twitch, which is really good, to your Twitch channel. This one is promoting Twitch channels. Okay, this one is level 2 seller. It has close to 1000 reviews. You guys can see that it's working, it's already working. This is the proof. Which people are paying for those services? Only people who has Twitch channels, people who want to grow their Twitch channels. So what I will do, I will click on this service like this. Just click on the service that you like and that you want to promote. This is the proof. 7 orders in queue. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing a good service for his customers, which is really good. So what I will do next, I will copy the link of this seller. Just copy the link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here, go to your dashboard, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook, to this audience who will be interested to buy those services related to Twitch. Okay, we have this one, for example. I will click on his name, I will click on message, and I need to send a friendly and professional message to this person who has Twitch channel. Okay, so what I will do, to create a professional and friendly message, you guys can go to ChatGPT and ask him create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy Twitch promotion service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. Want to grow your Twitch channel fast? Hey everyone, are you struggling to get more viewers and followers on Twitch? Don't worry, I have got an amazing solution for you. I find an awesome Twitch promotion service on Fiverr that can help you boost your channel and reach more viewers. It's a professional friendly message, it's really good to use. So what you will do, you need to copy this message like this, and here you see here you need to put your affiliate link here. I will show you how you can do it. Let's go back to Facebook. I will put this message here. Okay, and what I will do next, I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, I need to put my affiliate link here. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started, you guys will not see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, like I said in my videos, and I'm still having this option. For you, you should see this one, this new option, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. You guys can use this website if you want, Bitly. It's for free. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click on create your link, and your affiliate link will be short link. Okay, like this. It's really good and professional. I will go back, I will put this affiliate link here, and I will click on send. And here you go. You are sending this message to this person who has Twitch channel. So 90% this person will be interested to grow his Twitch channel. If you know how to convince this person, those people are your customers, those people are your clients. You need to convince those people to buy those services. So that's it. You guys can see if this person is interested, he will get back to me, and I will also keep if he didn't understand something or have any more question, I will answer all his question, and I will explain to him that this service is very important for him to grow his his Twitch channel. Okay, and then he will go and check my affiliate link. For example, if he click on this affiliate link like this, he will be directly on Fiverr to this Fiverr profile page. He will click on continue, buy this service for just $10, and I will earn commission. Free. It's a easy and free method that you guys can use. Okay, and that's it. And you have unlimited groups, you have a lot of Facebook groups, you have a lot of clients that if you are smart and you know how to do it correctly, you guys can make so much money from Facebook groups using this method. If you scroll down, you have a lot of people here who has Twitch channel. Here is another one, here is another one, here is another one. Those people just started. Look at this one, just 2 followers. This one can be interested also to grow his Twitch channel. Let's scroll down. This one has a YouTube channel. So you guys need to check those groups. Okay, start promoting your affiliate links on those groups and start give to people solution, give to people services that can help them grow. So it's win-win. Okay, they will grow their Twitch channel, you will earn commission. Okay, that's how we can make so much money. You need to be a problem solver. Okay, you need to solve problems. Okay, and these people has really a lot of problems. The big problem is that they are struggling with getting views and followers on their Twitch channels. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna explain something, guys. This commission that I made, it didn't come from just Facebook groups. Of course not. I cannot just keep promoting my affiliate links every single day on Facebook groups. But the method that I shared with you was my first method that I was using when I started, and it's still until today. It's still working. I shared this method with a lot of people, and they made commissions using this method. Okay, a lot of people from you guys made commissions. They reached out to me in my email and thanking me, keep saying thank you so much, this method is working. I made one of you guys made $3,000 with this method. Okay, and you keep saying it's not working. It's up to you. If you are lazy, so I'm really so sorry, I can't help you, because this business is clear, but you need to stay consistent. You need to do more research. You need to learn marketing, how to market those services, how to convince people to buy those services from you. Go to YouTube, learn how to sell. Go to YouTube, watch videos that will help you to learn how to sell, how to do marketing, and then you can start and you can get this scale and use it to convince people to buy those services from you. That's it. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address, and they will get back to you and follow with you step by step. Also, you will get access to me personally, and I will follow with you step by step how we can start. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.